Alright mga katarot, ngayon is something special kasi resign na yung kasama namin, no? Si Chef Hem. Resign na siya, so magpapakain siya ngayon. So, Ruhu Fish po yung tawag dyan. Yung gagawin po niya ay, eto si Chef Lemon yung magluluto ng fish curry. Gumagawa siya ng sauces.
Tomato and coriander, garlic, onion, and all masala.
Masala.
Yeah.
Little
Coriander powder, red chili powder, black pepper, and garam masala, and cumin powder.
Okay guys, kailangan iprito mo muna to para maging intact yung karne ng isda. Ayan. May mga spices pa yan. Kaya medyo pag magluluto ka ng mga ganitong dish, kailangan mo talaga ng oras para sa preparation, sa pagtitimpla. Kasi spices yan eh. Hindi pwedeng may overpower, hindi pwedeng may konti lang. Lamig dito sa area namin guys. So andito na, marami na pala eh. Chef,
No, this is I put inside.
this is the first batch. This is the first batch, no? Very nice.
Take a picture of food.
Yes, Chef Lemon.
Yeah, from Bangladesh, right?
From Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Oh guys. Very nice.
Thank you guys, thank you.
Yeah, later we will video again. The final cooking.
The final cooking.
Yeah, final cooking. And
Very good.
wow, very saucy bro. So, ayan, di pa tapos magprito. Marami pa kasi ito. Ngayon yung sarsa nilagyan na ng water.
Water, yeah.
Yeah, water.
Water and coriander leaves.
Water and coriander leaves. Then boiling. Alright. So,
Until
let's see.
cooked.
Okay. So guys, ito na yung mga Ruhu Fish. Oh.
Now I put
Ang
the
sarap,
sauce.
grabe.
Okay,
Ay, mashallah. Ang sarap nito. Meaty siya, tapos, ayun, lalo sa mga belly parts. One by one. Alright.
One by one. Some pieces broken. That's why I put one.
To
One by
mix
one.
with
Some
the
pieces
ladder.
broken.
Some
Finally, I make cover.
then little fire.
Yeah, little fire. Only 5-7 minutes finish. And then
Done. Now we are dividing it.
person.
Yeah, per person. One
Three
slice
person,
per
one piece, one piece.
one piece per person. See the spice, see the sauce. It's good.
अरे आओ तुमको भेला दिया
How do you like it? This is brotherhood, no? Alright.
So this is Chef M.
To Chef Ham, for Chef Ham. This is Muhammad. Actually, so already lunch na po mga kapatid. Kaya ito rin. Lunch time na rin. So, kainan na rin. Kaya ito. Konting sado-sado.
एक में जो को डालना एक में बिरयानी को डालना मस्त
This is name biryani. One person name biryani.
Biryani. So show one piece. Show one piece to the camera. Show one piece to the camera. Very good.
दोस्त जो तुम्हारा दोस्त
Buti na lang walang masyadong ginagawa ngayon kaya nakapagluto rin. Timing din naman. Alright. Not yet finished.
Hi.
Alright.
Awesome fish curry inside.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah,
Chef,
that's all.
that's all, Chef. Chef, that's all.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you.
Done.
Louis